Thank you for purchasing an SE Electronics Reflection Filter Pro. We hope it helps give your tracks the studio sound you're looking for, no matter where you're recording. First, remove the reflection filter and hardware from the packaging. Please keep the packaging safe to store the reflection filter when not in use, or for transportation. Your reflection filter is fairly rugged, but parts may be damaged or lost if not packaged properly. You should have the following items in front of you: the reflection filter itself, the stand clamp assembly, a support rod for the filter, and a wrench to help tighten the support rod. Let's start with the hardware. You can see the stand clamp assembly has two rubber-sided blocks with one large screw, and on this is a turning key. Fit your mic stand between these blocks and use the turning key to tighten the blocks until the clamp is securely fixed to the mic stand. It should be fitted a few inches below the point where a shock mount is usually fixed, or on the main vertical support pole of the stand. The clamp also has a large barreled hinge with a turning key, which allows the mechanism to turn back on itself so that the filter's weight is kept over the mic stand rather than in front of it. This should be hinged fully back so the whole assembly is in balance, and the reflection filter is then positioned as close as possible to the center of gravity on the mic stand. Fix the support rod to the reflection filter by screwing it into the socket on the bottom edge. Tighten the nut using the wrench supplied in the box. Now, attach the reflection filter to the mounting hardware by pushing the support rod down into its socket on the stand clamp, and tighten it in place with the turning key on the block. Your microphone, in a shock mount or a clip, will attach to the hardware with the included standoff. You can now play with the positioning of the mic, both vertically and horizontally, and the height of the reflection filter to get the optimum position for recording. The ideal placement for your microphone is where the mic's capsule is approximately even with the front edge of the reflection filter and centered vertically with the filter, but some mics sound better when pushed a little closer and some a little further away. Feel free to experiment with mic placement, and thanks again for being one of our customers. Happy recording.